The 2025 Toyota Camry features Toyota's latest audio multimedia system with enhanced Bluetooth 5.3 for faster, stable connections. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. An OTA update in June 2025 improved Bluetooth stability. It's compatible with iOS 7 Plus and Android 11 Plus. To pair your iPhone via Bluetooth and enable CarPlay in the 2025 Toyota Camry, start by navigating the infotainment screen. Next, confirm the Bluetooth connection on your iPhone. Then, enable CarPlay wirelessly from the home screen. Once paired, enjoy features like Apple Maps and Siri. The system automatically detects and prioritizes your device, with all data encrypted for security. To connect your Android phone, start by enabling Bluetooth on your device. Go to Settings, then Connections, and select Bluetooth to turn it on. Next, on the Camry's infotainment screen, go to Settings, select Bluetooth, and choose Add Device to search for your phone. Once paired, Android Auto will launch wirelessly. For better stability with high-definition content, consider using a USB connection instead. With Android Auto connected, you can access Google Maps for navigation, use Google Assistant with voice commands, and enjoy apps like Spotify for music. If pairing fails, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Reset the infotainment system by long pressing the power button. Interference can cause issues. Try moving away from potential sources like Wi-Fi hotspots. The system has a 10-meter range for stable connections. The 2025 Camry's Bluetooth system uses Bluetooth 5.3 for faster pairing and more stable connections. It supports multi-point pairing for up to 2 devices at once. Key features include hands-free calling, audio streaming from services like Spotify and Apple Music, and contact syncing. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless smartphone integration. Expert opinions highlight the strengths of the 2025 Camry's Bluetooth system. CNET praises the seamless wireless CarPlay integration that feels native and responsive. Android Central notes that Android Auto delivers solid performance for mainstream users, providing reliable navigation and app access. However, enthusiasts still prefer wired connections for the fastest data transfer and minimal latency. Toyota engineers have focused on user-centric design, aiming for zero-friction connectivity that makes pairing effortless. Overall, reliability metrics are strong, with Bluetooth connections failing only rarely, making it dependable for daily use. The future of automotive Bluetooth includes deeper integration with AI assistants like Amazon Alexa, enabling more intuitive voice commands and smart vehicle features. Bluetooth is advancing with LE audio technology, providing ultra-low latency for better audio quality and immersive experiences in vehicles. With the rise of hybrid and electric vehicles, automotive Bluetooth is adapting to enable EV-specific applications for charging station navigation and energy management.